Hello everyone. Today we will solve another numerical from DRDO 2019 mains question paper, and today we will solve milling numerical. So the data given is diameter of the cutter. So let us say capital D is 200 mm, workpiece dimension 600 mm length, 30 mm width, and 25 mm thickness. Depth of cut small d, it is 2 mm. Linear speed mm per second. So linear speed we can say that feed. Okay, feed is given to us. Cutter rotational speed RPM is given to us 2200 RPM. Number of insert, that means number of tooth on the cutter, that means Z, is 10, and specific cutting energy U is given, it is 4. So calculate the cutting time, that means machining time, feed per tooth, and power required. Okay, so here it is given that vertical milling operation, that means the spindle it is vertical, and this question is becomes face milling, not a slab milling. So by this line vertical milling we can say that it is a face milling operation. Now look at the width and cutter diameter. So width is uh, less than cutter radius. So the approach length is we have to give the approach length. Okay, because for complete machining here initially we have to also provide some approach length, and at the end we would also provide approach length also. Okay, so that approach length, when width is less than the radius of the cutter, it is under root of w into d minus w. Okay, so put the values over here. 300 into 200 minus 30, so this will come to 71.41 mm. Okay, now the total tool travel length, that is L, we can say that the total tool travel, that is a workpiece length plus 2 times of approach length, because we have to give initially approach as well as the end also. So the length of the workpiece is 600 mm. Okay, plus 2 times 71.41 mm. Okay, so this is a 742.83 mm. Okay, now we know that the machining time equation, it is given by machining time, as we all know, we have studied, it is L upon feed rate in mm per revolution into N. Okay, revol m in number of revolutions. Okay, so it will come out to be minute. Okay, but here feed rate is given in mm per second. Okay, so 742.83 upon feed rate 1 mm per second. Okay, so no need to multiply with this n, because in equation the n, uh, when we use this equation, when feed rate is given in mm per revolution. Okay, so here direct feed is given that, so our machining time is 742.83. So we can say that it is near to 743 second, and cutting time, no any specific mention or second or minute, so we will uh, put it into second only. Okay, If you want to convert into minute, then it will come to 12.38. So it is approximately 13 minute. Okay. So this is the answer of our first question, machining time. Okay. Now second question was this is short. Now second question is feed per tooth. So feed per tooth is equal to feed upon number of tooth. Directly we can say that we have given feed 1 mm per second, and number of cutters it is given to 10. So feed per tooth is given as 0.1 mm per tooth. Okay, so this is the answer of our second question. This is very simple. Okay, and now the power required. Okay, so here the major element comes. So for calculation of power, we have given specific energy. Just look at the unit of the specific energy. Watt watt into second per mm cube. And we know that the mm cube per second is unit of material removal rate. So that means we have to find out we have to find out material removal rate MRR, and we have to multiply with specific cutting energy. Okay, so MRR for milling is given by, we know the equation, pi by 4, sorry, not pi by 4, only pi dn by 60, not 1000, because we have diameter in mm, and we have to we want to convert our time in removal rate in second. Okay, velocity, linear velocity. Okay, just let me write this: linear velocity into feed into depth of cut. Okay, so the material removal rate velocity, this is a v is equal to velocity of tool or velocity of cutter. Okay, so cutter velocity is given by pi dn by 60 in meter mm per second, because we will take here d in mm, feed rate into depth of cut. Okay, so pi, cutter diameter is 200 mm, rpm is also given as 200 rpm, 60, feed rate 1, and depth of cut 2 mm. So just calculate it, and I am getting this as 4188.8 mm cube per second. Okay, and what we have to find is power. Power is how we can given as specific cutting energy into material removal rate. Specific cutting energy is 4 watt into second mm square into 4188.8. So this will come out to 1675.3 watt. So just by simplification, 16.175 kilowatt. This is the answer of power. So guys, you have seen how easily we can solve this numerical, and we got we can get say 20 marks. Okay, so just we have to, the main equation here is this approach length. Okay, because if it is a slab milling, then approach length will be different. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. In next video, we will solve that query also. And for more videos like this, please subscribe our channel, because we will solve this mains question of ESE also. We are going to start very soon. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.